Managing a mass production line is a complicated business. Hundreds of individual tasks must be successfully completed. We're used to the typical daily problems of delivery delays, customers' complaints, downtime incidents, and cost of production, which is always higher than planned and expected. Is this something that we and our customers just have to get used to? Definitely not. If we could analyze test data in real time during our manufacturing process, we could quickly identify issues before they become significant problems. But do we have access to machine and test data? Is this data available to us in a meaningful way?
My name is Eyal Kaufman and I'm the CEO of QualityLine. So we already understand the importance of analyzing data to increase our manufacturing yield and improve quality. But look around you, so many different types of machine and test equipment. How we are going to integrate with all of these machines, how we are going to collect the data in order to analyze it. My 25 years of experience showed me that this is a major challenge. This is why we have developed the technology of QualityLine to specifically address this problem. QualityLine technology has the ability to integrate with any kind of machinery located on your manufacturing line, and you don't have to make any change in your existing process and test application.
QualityLine real-time technology collects and analyzes machine and test data throughout your manufacturing process to significantly increase your yield and improve quality. We collect data from your production machines and testing stations in real time and automatically analyze it using our advanced machine learning and prediction algorithms. From the analytics dashboard we build for you, you can get an instant overview of the current state of your line, spot actual or projected issues at a glance, and drill down to the detail you need to tightly control your manufacturing processes. It doesn't matter if you're on site or on another continent. You will be able to conduct root cause analysis to quickly identify and resolve any problems within your manufacturing process, set automatic alerts for any abnormal issues, get predictive analytics, and even improve the design for manufacturability of your products. Feedback from factories already using QualityLine technology show an improvement in quality and yield of up to 30% in just a few months. We invite you to pilot our technology and take your manufacturing process to a new level of efficiency and quality you've only dreamed of before.
Get in touch with us today and we will organize a live demo of QualityLine technology for you.